Hello, salam, namaste, and ayaboan. Welcome to Linda Speaks podcast, empowering student voice. And I'm your host for today, Dania Dawood from Linda Secondary College in the city of Greater Dandenong, Melbourne, Victoria. Joining me in the studio today, we have our very special guests, Anderson, Marwa, and Lucas. But before I can introduce our guests, we're going to be taking a look at this video from the Swimming Carnival. What a nice short video summarising our swimming carnival held this Monday. Anderson, I'm going to start with you. What was your favourite part of competing in the swimming carnival?
Well, I really like competing in butterfly because I versed 3 year 10s, but we were in a separate race and I managed to beat them.
Nice. Lovely to hear. And Marwa, what were the activities for those who didn't compete?
They got to sit down and watch, bring their friends, chat, watch other people watch other people racing, cheer them, help them around, and look at beautiful views.
Nice. So overall, it was a good experience, right?
Yeah.
Lovely. And Lucas, what events did you compete in?
I competed in freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly, and also relay with my friends.
Yep. And out of all those competitions, which one was your favourite?
My favorite was freestyle because
Yeah.
it was quick and easy.
Nice. All right. So this is a question for all of you. How often do you swim outside of school? I'm going to start with you, Anderson, again.
I used to do it weekly, but because lockdown, I just stopped doing it.
Yeah. Lockdown really caused a lot of our extracurriculars and stuff we do outside of school to stop. But hopefully now that we're back and trying to get back to normal, we can start those hobbies again. And you, Marwa, how often do you swim outside of school?
Maybe once in a week or twice. If it's a sunny week or something, in the weekends I might go.
Nice. And you, Lucas?
When my little brother trains for his swimming lessons, I take some different lane, then I swim and train by myself.
Nice. All right. So how did you, this is a question for Anderson and Lucas. How did you guys get into swimming lessons? I'll start with you, Lucas, this time.
When I was little, my mom put me in swimming lessons, and since I enjoyed being in the water, I just continued to go into higher classes. Then I moved on to squads. The highest one I went to was silver, and I didn't move up again because I already knew how to swim, so I stopped there.
Yeah, nice. And you, Luke? And you, Anderson?
Yeah, my mom just put me in a swimming lesson and I just went with the flow and just continued it until I just stopped and trained by myself.
Nice. So you both agree it's really enjoyable and a fun way to get some exercise in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So any advice for viewers on how to get into swimming lessons or which swimming lessons you took?
I just suggest just go with the flow, I guess. I'm not quite sure. I can't really explain how to swim that good in that. Just go with the flow and be comfortable. Once you practice enough, you'll get better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Lucas, but first you have to enjoy what you're doing before you can actually try.
Yeah.
And that way it's, easier to learn.
Yeah. I totally agree. All right. So any last remarks on the swimming carnival? Things that you enjoyed? Things you would like to see next year?
I want to go to Swimming Carnival again because if you didn't compete at the same time, there's there's another pool for people who didn't compete, and they get to play with their friends there, do what they want, and it's really beautiful going there.
Yeah, nice. And you, Anderson?
No, not really.
Oh, good. Any remarks, Lucas?
Just good spending time with friends and competing for fun and that. Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah. Really lovely hearing from you all. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you here in the studio today. I've been your host, Dania Dawood from Linda Secondary College, and we'll see you again next time.